Today's fast-paced sedentary lifestyle has led us to neglect our health. This changing lifestyle with irregular intervals of meals along with unhealthy eating habits such as consumption of spicy, oily and fast food has severe implications on our health. All these habits cause the body pH levels to rise, increasing the acid level of the body, which creates many health issues like poor digestion, weaker immunity, acidity. What if we said there is one simple solution that helps your body adapt and strike that perfect balance with the right pH levels? Introducing all new latest technology of AquaGuard Aster with Alkaline Boost technology. A cutting-edge innovation that enhances the pH level in water that helps in managing the acidity content in your body. A stylish water purifier designed for contemporary kitchens because your drinking water deserves a healthy upgrade. The new Alkaline Boost technology enhances the pH level of the water with its controlled release technology. It ensures the pH level of the water is always maintained as per BIS standards, making it safe and consumable for all age groups. Thus, making your water not just pure and safe, but healthy too. As per research texts, drinking alkaline water and staying hydrated has multiple benefits. AquaGuard Aster attains its superior purification results with a stringent 8-stage purification process. AquaGuard Aster, with its upgraded technology of RO membrane, is certified to remove new age contaminants like lead and mercury from the water. With the ultra filtration technology, makes water crystal clear. While ordinary UV LEDs provide only secondary and slow disinfection, the AquaGuard UV e-boiling technology instantly provides water as safe and pure as water boiled up to 20+ minutes. If you're worried about the taste, let me tell you about the Advanced Taste Adjuster. This technology allows you to get sweet-tasting water even when the water source changes from piped water to tanker water. In addition, it has a large storage capacity of 6.2 liters and ensures you have healthy drinking water at all times. The sleek and smart design standards of AquaGuard Aster with Alkaline Boost technology adds a superior look to your kitchen. It brings you the options to either mount it on the wall or even have it placed on the kitchen top as per convenience. The LED indicators gives indication for power on, alerts you when service is due, and when tank is full. As the time for service approaches, this smart purifier notifies it needs to be serviced with its LED indicator. And now, booking an AquaGuard genuine service is even faster and easier with the new Eureka Forbes service app. Download the app now and book your service in just 3 seconds. AquaGuard has earned the trust of 1.5 crore mothers and is owned by 1.62 lakh doctors. AquaGuard's best-in-class technology and expert purification makes it true to the claim of being the real Panika doctor.